Okay. Hey guys, it's Super Nerd here, and today, Super Nerd.
Yeah, that's the name of his future YouTube.
And there's you know who.
When I get a YouTube channel, I'm gonna call it something, because I have no idea what.
And there's Davy Jones'
Something
locker.
gamer.
So we are having a Nerf War, and we gotta go.
She's using my Nerf gun. I just
So who cares?
And I'm using my
Trey's using his own.
strong arm.
And I'm using.
I'll be soccer.
I'm using one.
Gaming girl.
Just be gaming girl.
No, there's already a
No.
super gaming girly.
That's
girly.
super girly gamer. You
Okay.
can be the super gaming.
So me and Chloe,
Soccer gaming girly gaming soccer girl. I have
Girls, girly soccer game.
no tropic.
Girly
Gamer.
soccer.
Tropical gamer.
Okay, so me and Chloe are gonna go hide, and David is gonna come and find us.
And I'm using my best weapon. Although
Wait,
my
but when
other
you
weapon
shoot that,
is
you're
my
gonna have to be
sniper.
careful with his phone.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just have to do this.
Yeah,
And then later-
Trey's gonna go
Hey, Trey.
Rambo.
Later,
I'm vlogging.
and then later,
I think everyone
today,
knows that. Trey.
tropical gamer and super nerdy, whatever.
Yeah, call yourself the
We could
tropical
do
gamer.
we could do bottle flips.
And
Bottle
I'm-
flip
I'm
2007.
being
Tropic
Davy Jones.
gamer.
Okay, let's go.
Tropic gamer.
Okay,
I'm just gonna be
David.
standing here.
David.
Okay, so we're gonna go and hide.
So me and nerdy. What's your
Super,
YouTube name?
super nerd.
Super nerd and me, tropical gamer, are going to hide from Doofus Dingleface, whatever
Okay.
his future gamer channel.
Got it.
Probably called Doofus Dingle Gamer.
No, it's gotta be called Davy Jones.
The typical David.
The typical gamer. As you can
I already
see.
know there's a guy named Typical Gamer because he does a whole bunch of. She said.
Shit, that's Riley. No, Chloe, you're gonna ruin everything. Get your ass. Chloe, what are you doing? Yeah, let's go. Oh, shit. Okay. Chloe, I'm not a good runner. God. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not using the iPod because my iPod doesn't have enough storage for videos right now. So I'm using David's phone to vlog. Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna be a vlog because vlogs are usually like 30 minutes, so this will be like 15 minutes. So we are ready! How the hell am I gonna hold? Go. What?
Hold my gun for a second.
Oh, damn it. Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna do an overhead sniper.
Chloe, he's gonna see you. Okay. Chloe, I don't think you have time to go. Okay, so. Chloe, he's gonna see you. Kids. Okay, here. Take it. Take the fucking gun now. Okay, so we're hiding and I can't vlog from right there. Hold on.